Software Spring. Presents. How to use even and sum together in Google Sheets. Hi folks. Greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on nesting the sum function inside even. Here's a quick intro to sum and even. Sum. Sum adds two or more numbers. These could be all positive, negative, or a combination of both. Here is the format of the sum function formula. Let's look at an example. This sum function formula returns the sum of numbers in the range B7 to B11. Even. Even rounds a number to its nearest even integer. Let's look at the format of the even function formula. Here's an example. This even function rounds the number in cell B7 to the number's nearest even integer and returns 130. For more info on sum and even functions, please review their separate tutorials, whose links are given in the description. Okay, let's look at the sum even function's combo formula. Here is an example. Alright, when one or more function is nested inside another function, which function is processed first? The innermost function, which is sum, in this case, is processed first. The second innermost next, and so on. Sum sums the numbers in the range B7 to B11 and returns it to even. Even rounds the number to its nearest even integer. Moving forward, here's an objective of using the even sum function's combo formula. To nest sum inside even, to round the number returned by sum to its nearest even integer. Alright, we are ready to type the even sum function's combo formula. Tip. Enter, or edit, a formula in a cell or formula bar. Let me type the formula in the cell. First, type the equal to symbol, type E, V, and select even. For value, let's nest the sum function. Type S, U, and select sum. For value 1, select this range. Tip. To select a range, click the first cell of the range, and shift-click the last cell of the range. Type 2 closing parenthesis, 1 each for sum and even. Press enter. There you go. The even function has rounded the number returned by sum to the number's nearest even integer. If wish to know the sum of these numbers, here's the easiest way. Select this range. Google Sheets has displayed the sum, 1047.79, here. The even function has rounded 1047.79 to its nearest even integer. Quick review. When you nest a function inside another, innermost function is processed first, second innermost second, and so on. Sum sums two or more numbers. Even rounds a number to its nearest even integer. Nest sum inside even to round the sum value to its nearest even integer. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.